A positive mindset isn't about constant happiness. It's an attitude that focuses on the good, faces challenges head-on, and seeks opportunities for growth. Let's explore 6 ways to cultivate a positive mindset, backed by insights from psychology. Begin with gratitude. Every day, take a moment to think about things you're thankful for. This simple act of focusing on the good stuff can help you see the brighter side of things and make you feel more positive overall. Positive affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reframe your thoughts. By repeating positive statements, you can challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative beliefs. Mindfulness meditation. Give mindfulness a try. It's like a mental exercise where you focus on the present moment. This helps to let go of negative thoughts, reducing stress and boosting your overall well-being. Optimistic visualization. Picture a positive future. Visualization can activate the brain's reward centers, motivating you to work towards your goals with a more positive mindset. Surround yourself with positivity. Build a positive environment. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, engage in activities you enjoy, and minimize exposure to negativity in your surroundings. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness. Understand that setbacks happen, and self-compassion allows you to bounce back from challenges with a positive mindset. Cultivating a positive mindset is a journey, not an overnight transformation. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can gradually shift your perspective and experience the benefits of a more positive mindset. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to press the like button, share the video, and hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Thanks for watching.